Hey guys, in this video I will show you some progress of my MIT Cheetah's project. So some progress I got a lot of the parts from eBay or Amazon, so I put them together and doing some debug. So here I will show you how it's working and say the progress. Let's start. Okay. So here is the brushless motor. So the motor is the used motor come from a drone. So it's not real for the bot, but just come from a used one. Okay, first of all, we need to put this secure this one on this board. Because I put some hole, I draw some hole, so I could have the motor secure on the board. It won't shake anymore. I don't use the 3D print because I think the wood may be more strong than the 3D print. So here I just put it on the top of my desk. You use this clash to secure this one. Yeah, so make sure it's very secure. It's manually try, make sure it's not blocked. Okay, so it won't shake anymore. This one is the planetary gearbox. So I have a rod. I purchased a rod. This is a connector. Because the connector is not a perfect match the rod in the brushless motor, so I have to drill to a hole to secure this connector to the motor. So it's not perfect in the center of the hole, but it works. I mean, it will shake a little bit, but it works. So I use the press drill to drill the hole and put the screw over there. Now let's fix this again. Make sure it's not blocked. Okay, it's pretty strong. You must be very careful. You don't want to get hurt. So the gearbox, I purchased this rod. I should cut some of them, but for just a quick test, I just keep it as it is. Let's this one just fix just secure it by the screw. Okay, we need to make sure they are in the same level. So now it's pretty much in the same level. You can use manually do some adjustments, and you can try. For the first time, you don't need this one. You just get rid of the gearbox and use the SPI this controller. I solder the this plug-in, so it's easy to get rid of that. Okay, now you have the power cable. This one is a USB cable. It's connected to your computer, so you can debug that. So you can test that. So let's get the power first. Let's get the power supply. I have the power supply, which is 5,000 milliamp. Okay, you can see the indicator is on. So let's connect it to the computer. Okay, let's show you what it looks like in the computer. You can go to the website and you can find the file. There's some tricky. You cannot download that directly. You have to add it to the shopping cart. You have to sign up account. After a few minutes, you will see your file. You can go to the purchase files. You can find that. You don't need to actual purchase that. You don't need to pay that, but you need add it to the shopping cart and checkout. That's a trick. So after you download the file, you go here, you open this file. Okay, this will connect to your device. But for the first time you connect the device, you need to check out your COM port. So go to your computer management page. Okay, let's open this one. Let me open the management page. Let's go to the property management. Okay, manage your computer. Okay, find the port. Let me find the port. Oh. Okay, so you can find the port over here. Right now it's COM3. So go to the connection, pick up the COM3. So if not connected, just click the connect. Now, the first time when you connect the controller, you probably will ask you upgrade your firmware, but I have already do that, so I don't need to do that. If you could go over here to download the latest one and update the firmware. Yeah. Here, let's go set up the motor. Okay, that's for the FOC control. So let's go over here and just click yes. As well, remove the default setting, exist setting. Okay, let's pick up the generic motor. Click next. Because my device is not mini, so I use the smaller one. Okay, click yes. And let's go set the battery cells. I have 6 battery cells because I use 5000 mAh, so I set 5 Ah. This one you need to pick up -5, and the max one current, let's say 20. Okay, let's click next. I think this is just the default value. I do have 14 poles. I don't have the sensor, so I just disable this one. Okay, let's run detection. Click. Okay, click yes. Make sure your device is secure, your motor is secure, and it not break anything. It's not fly to somewhere. Yeah, let's click OK. Make sure the safety is first. Okay, let's click OK. Now it's prepare. Yeah, make sure everything is secure. Now it's running. Yeah, first it's doing some check. Okay. Basic parameter should be set up. Okay. Now here we got this set up. This is some basic parameter. Now let's do some experiment. Before we do that, let's disconnect that and connect it again. Make sure every configuration saved. So let's connect that and go to the experiments. So we have two setup. One is duty, another one is a sweep. So the first one, let's say, change this one. This output, let's change to the this 10%. So from 0 to 10%, just take 2 seconds, and each time we increase 2%. Okay, and the final result is 10%. Okay, let's run. If you want to stop that quickly, just click the stop. Yeah, let's take a look here. So it's gradually get more output. So let's say 4 seconds, maybe it's easier. So get 15% output. If you want to stop that, you can click stop. So you'd better put your mouse over there. Okay. Now you can hear it's running. It's gradually increase the power. So you can feel that. Okay. Now this is for the duty. Let's use the current. The current is say, okay, we go to this voltage. But for the experiment, I just say 2 amp. Okay, let's say use 4 seconds. The max one is 20 amp, but right now I just said 2. Yeah, let's start. Let's will keep 2 amp. Okay. Seems the 2 amp is not power enough, so let's set 4. Okay, that's right. Now you can hear it's running. It's very fast, this one. Let's say 3 amp. Let's run again. That's 2 seconds run again. It's still pretty fast, but just 2 seconds. Okay. After this one, let's connect it to the gearbox. But each time when we try to do something, we just disconnect the power and disconnect the USB. So let's disconnect the power, the battery. Okay. And put this one to the motor. You need to make sure they are in the same level. So also you need to secure the planetary gearbox. Do not make it move. As I don't think it's enough, so I still need one more. Yeah. Okay, it's working. You need to manually rotate this a little bit, make sure there is no blocking. Or you could adjust this one. Adjust this one, you may need some tool. Because, yeah, you can see it's could rotate correct. Okay, now make sure everything is secure and connected to your battery. Yeah, let's connect again. Let's say 15%. There is another way you could put a transparent plastic box over here. This way, if something happens, it's not hurt yourself. So like this, you put some case over here. But I already tested this one, so I know it's should be safe. Let's go run again. So you can see the motor is running, and it's transfer the power to the gearbox. Yeah. Right now, it's not a perfect level, and the rod is not perfect in the center of the connector, but still working. Yeah. Now let's say let's test the current. Let's say to amp. This may not work. Let me try. Oh, it's not work. Let's try 4. Let's try 3 first. Let's run. You can say it's working. Yeah. Let's take more time. Okay. Let's try 4 seconds. 4 seconds, it works. After we get this test, let's test the torque. Just a simple test. I don't think I can do this precisely. If we will need to do this precisely, we probably need to print a rack for this one. So right now, I just give me a feeling how powerful it could be. So I use this clutch to turn this around. Okay, to turn this to the right position. Now let's secure this one, so I can feel the string. Okay. I need to connect to the. I need to solder this magnet encoder, and use this one to detect the precise position of the motor. But right now, I just get some main idea how what the output looks like. Now, let's feel what output could be. So let's put over here. Let's start. Okay, you can feel it's trying to push my head. Yeah, but I cannot hold this one because it's output. It's pretty good. Let's try it again. Let's stop this one. Okay, and try it again. Okay, make it more secure. Fasten this one. Yeah. I do need to print a 3D part for this one to test the torture. The torque. Yeah. Okay. Let's try again. Yeah, I can try. It's trying to push me very hard. Yeah, the output is good. We cannot hold this one. Okay. I will print a tool which I could test the torque. Okay, I think that's pretty much all. That cover everything. I how get this running, get the gearbox working. Yeah, output is very good. So next, I probably will solder this encoder and detect the precise position of the motor. But right now we use the USB, and then I can use the jettison nano to control this one. So finally, I don't think I will put this to the cheetahs. This is just helping me understand how everything working. We probably still need to purchase the existing actuator, because the existing actuator is smaller, so it could put to the cheetahs. But it's necessary to get understand how everything get working, how the encoder working, how the FOC working. So next step, I could get some better idea to pick up existing actuator, do more test, and that probably will purchase like 12 actuator for the MIT Cheetahs. Yeah, I'm still trying to find the best one we could use. I need to consider about the price, since it's need about 12 of them, and make sure the output is good enough. Okay, I think that's pretty much all. Thank you. Bye.